If y'all are seeing me for the first time, my name is Tracy. I'm the creator and I run our YouTube channel, but I also am the author of our blogs. And if you want like a readable tutorial version of a lot of our videos of what we're all about here at 4D Farms, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. You can catch us on our blogs at 4dfarms.blogspot.com and 4dfarms.wordpress.com. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. This one's just going to be a little short and sweet. Y'all know I love to sew, and I'm going to show y'all how to keep your serger maintained. A serger is one of those that you can get a 3-thread, 4-thread, needles and overlocking systems. And y'all, if you do, after every time I sew a project, I use all of my brushes to help wipe out all of the fuzz that gets in there. You know how like on thread you get fuzz off of thread, but you also get fuzz off of your fabric. Look at that gunk that you get out. I have tweezers, I have brushes, and I go inside this machine very carefully around all the mechanical parts, and I brush and I pick out with tweezers. And if you've also got some kind of little blower, gentle blower, that you can blow out fuzz and debris from your sewing machine, all of this stuff can come out in some very silky garments, y'all. And if you let it get gummed up, it causes your serger or your sewing machine not to work properly or even sew properly. It can cause skip stitches. It can cause thread to break. So I try to go in there with all my brushes and tweezers and brush out. I have strong bristle brushes and soft bristle brushes. Oh, say that fast 3 times. And try to get all of the fuzz and the hair and the leftover remnants, dust, everything out of my serger. Your owner's manual will also tell you how to clean your serger. Y'all see that fuzz behind that cutting blade right there on a serger? That can cause your serger not to cut your fabric properly. Okay, so disengage the blade and brush behind there. If you have to, turn around and rethread, and always check your needles and replace your needles if they need be. Now on sewing machines and sergers, there is also places where it shows you to place drops of machine oil. And my serger, y'all, I've had this thing almost 30 years, over 30 years, and it tells me in my owner's manual and shows me where to put drops of my machine oil, and it comes with machine oil. That helps all the mechanics inside your machine work properly, keep them oiled to where the next time you get out your sewing machine or your serger, it's ready to go. Check the belts. By all means, find a mechanic if you're not comfortable doing this on your own. Take care of those machines, lady, because they do work for us. I hope you have found this video helpful, and be sure to give it a thumbs up, share with your sewing friends, and I will see y'all in the next video.